So this is a Wella Nutri Enrich shampoo with geoberry. It's a deep nourishment. You believe that on my hand. Spread it between my hands and then spread it through my hair. Smells really nice. And we're going with the Gold Enrich Repair conditioner. I'm going to buy conditioners for that Wella because it smells really nice, so better conditioner will be nice as well. Hopefully I notice a difference for using that shampoo. Hi guys, so you've just seen me quickly shampoo my hair. I'm sorry, I'm trying to knock that light off. Shampoo my hair. Now I'm just going to quickly, I'm not going to style it or anything, I'm just going to brush it, put some products through it and let it dry itself. I'm not going to, so it'd be better if I just let it towel dry itself. I'm going to have to stand like this because the light, no matter where I put the camera, is glaring right through. I'm using the L'Oreal Elvive Frizz Killer Serum. Just a couple of pumps of that on the back of my hand or on my hands and just pull it through gently. Not putting any on my root, just the midlines and ends. Smells lovely. And I'm just going to finish this up. It's a cheap, horrible, smelly one. Do not recommend it. Just a heat protector. I actually want to bin it, but I didn't want to be wasteful. It smells like a hairspray like your granny would use. Sorry guys, I'm trying to really stand so that glare goes away. It doesn't matter where I put the light. I'll stand like that for a second. I'm just brushing it all back and then round. I've got loads of new makeup to try out, guys. Do you want to see a video? I've got the foundation from Holly Boone. I've got a Peely Wee's eyeshadow palette, Peely Wee's blush, lip drip. I've got loads of different stuff. I'm up for trying it. I've got LCC cream. a number 7 Beautifully Matte foundation, more eyeshadow palettes. I've got tons and tons of stuff. Lots of eyelashes. If you want to see a video, let me know in the comments down below, and I'll get around to doing that for you guys. There's loads of different products, so we can test some in one video, and then the next we can try something else. Right guys, I'm just going to let this dry itself. See, I'm staying in the house, I'm not going out. I don't know if anybody knows it. Did you see the wee highlights that we've got through the hair now? I need done again, not been done for a wee while. They're starting to grow out now, you can actually see how much it's grown out there. Definitely need done again. I just got a wee drop to start with, so I can build that up. Well, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye everybody, take care, bye.